Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you on how to create your own WhatsApp stickers on iPhone. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, open your photo gallery and select a picture that you want to use as a sticker. Next, long press the object that you want to create as a sticker, and then the iPhone will automatically analyze and cut out the photo. Once the photo is cut out, these options will appear. So choose this copy button, then open the WhatsApp application. Now, open WhatsApp conversation, and in here, you can paste and send the photo sticker. Another method that we can do is click on this small square beside the camera. From here, select again this small square icon, then tap this album icon to choose a photo from your gallery. After selecting a photo, WhatsApp will automatically do the cutout and create a sticker for you. You can add here a text and edit it. Alright? So that's how to create your own WhatsApp stickers on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos.